Hello everyone, welcome to another video tutorial. Today in this video tutorial, I will show you how to sign up to Puma affiliate program. Now, if you want to go and if you want to promote Puma affiliate and if you want to become Puma affiliate and promote their products, then this is the video for you. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to go to Google, type in Puma affiliate program, and you need to scroll down until you see this right here, affiliate program, and then Puma right here, uspuma.com. Click on that right here. Once you click on that, as you can see here, you will be able to see what you need to do in order to go and in order to join to Puma affiliate program. Now here's some of the benefits for Puma affiliates. You will be able to have competitive incentive-based commission structure. So the more sales you generate, the higher your commission. Now, as you can see here, you can see how to join. To sign up as a Puma affiliate partner, please visit the CJ affiliate page and fill out the registration form. So here you will need to click here and fill out the registration form from CJ affiliate publishers. Now, as you can see right here on the left side, you will need to fill in the form. On the right side, as you can see, here are the program highlights. So you can see that they have 14-day cookie duration. You have competitive incentive-based commission structure. The more sales you generate, the higher your commission. So your commission will actually increase as you promote them more. So this is pretty much how to go and sign up to Puma affiliate program. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video.